Hello, guys. Today is Friday, 13th February 2026. I want to do this quick video on price action so you see what's happening on the markets right now. As we would typically do, we'd have to take a look at what price has done at this time. It's 10:03 now by my clock, 10:03 a.m. GMT. You'd notice that price has taken an area of sell side liquidity that is right here at 360430, and then it's found support on this rejection block right here. Let me use the horizontal line, make it a bit thicker, change the line. So this is the classic ICT 2022 model. Sell side liquidity purged, price has found support on a rejection block, and then you'd notice over here that there has been a shift in market structure right there. That would mean that we'd have to come down to the 15 minutes chart to identify the discount array where price would likely go further from there, and that is right around this area of the rejection block identified on the 4 hourly, because on this candlestick there is this long wick which makes it another rejection block on the 15 minutes. So that's likely where we should expect an entry. Alternatively, if we look at the price action on the 15 minutes chart on its own, you notice sell side liquidity has been taken. Let me change the color at 359420, and then price shifted structure right over here, right there. And then this gap has been left. So what we're expecting is for price to draw into that fair value gap over here. And according to the ICT model, we can place our entry anywhere in the gap and then set our stop loss limits at the low right over here beneath here. So that is also another thing we can look out for. Let me take these lines off and then show you another thing. Okay, so you'd notice also that if we look at this thick blue line as an area of buy side liquidity, price has taken buy side liquidity. I want to explain why I took this sell trade over here, and also with very minimal lot size. This buy side liquidity has been taken, so I came down to the 1 minute and then identified the shift in market structure which occurred on this bearish breaker block. And that is exactly where you notice the entry, the sell entry over here. So I'll set my stop loss limit at 285 which is above these bearish candles, which are the bearish breaker block high. I've placed it over there to account for spread, so that should price retrace or move deep into that bearish breaker block, we'll still have some comfortable position to be in. This is contrarian trading, so I'm not expecting to stay on for long. I'm just coming down to that area where I expect the buys, because that is actually what I'm on the lookout for, and then we would see higher prices from there. I hope you found this insightful. Until next time, cheers guys.